everyone, it's Mehak, and I wanted to do a really nice, like cool toned blue, like aqua, kind of a nice smoky eye that you can wear for a nice date night. I wore it, and let me tell you, the response was, let's just say, anyhow. So I wanted to do another look using the Jacklyn Hill palette, and this is what I came up with. And if you're interested to watch this look with the whole outfit and what I'm wearing and the heels and like the dress, top, skirt, everything, then please keep on watching. Okay, everyone, let's start with the eyes first, as always. So I've already done my left side of the eyes, that it's like a guideline as to where you have to reach from this to this. And I thought I'll do another look using the Jacklyn Hill and Morphe palette, because the other one I did was more, warm, black. So I thought I'll do a little more different, like a blue, green family. And this goes exactly with the top I'm wearing, which you will see in the later on pictures. So let's start with this. So the first shade I'm going to use is called Creamsicle. And I'm going to add a little bit of butter in it. So mix the two and use it together. And this I'm going to apply just above my crease as a nice transition. And again, taking my transition shade just at my outer corner also for like a nice guideline as to where we put the darker, more black and like brown shades. Taking this third shade in the palette called Pooter, I'm just going to blend out my crease even further, like darken it up, and in the same technique we did earlier, apply in my outer corners and in my crease. So we have a nice gradient effect for the colors we're going to apply next. So I'm going to mix two shades now, which is called Buns and Mocha, like a light brown and a darkish brown, and apply it in like this angle technique. So you don't have to use a tape or anything else. This actually does that winged cat eye effect for you. So you just apply it in your outer corner and then blend it out in your crease. So the next two shades I'm going to mix are called Central Park and Abs, like a dark brown and a black. Now I'm using an angle brush, which is by BH Cosmetics, so it does the work for us. Same way, applying it first in my outer corners and then in my crease, basically leaving the lid bare of any color. And I'm just going to blend it out with the same brown color we used earlier. So now I'm going to take this eye pencil by Faces Canada Cosmetics. It's called Persian Blue, and I'm just going to apply it to the center of my lid and then just blend it out with this MAC brush. And then using the NYX eye pencil in white, I'm just going to apply it in my very inner corners as a base for the next shades we're going to apply. And first spray my blush with Fix Plus, and then using the nice blue shade in the palette called Twerk. Twerk. And I'm just going to apply it just above the pencil we put. Next, using the nice aqua shade called Pool Party, I'm going to apply it just above the white pencil we put. So I have a nice gradient look. So what happens is that anytime you apply like a nice pencil under any eyeshadow, it actually brings out the color much more, and even it stays much longer on your eyes rather than without any base. And the last shade I'm going to use is called Obsessed. Truly, I am obsessed with this color. I really like wearing it just on an everyday basis only. And I'm just going to apply very slightly to my inner corners. Okay, now I'm just blending out the colors we've put with the same Pooter shade and then adding a little bit of the dark brown and the black. Okay, so now for my brow bone highlight, what I really like to do is first take a matte shade. This is by a Kat Von D palette, and just stamp it on like under my eyebrow, and then it actually helps in cleaning up the look so much more. Hold on, I think this look needs a nice wing liner. And voila, it's there. Anyhow, for my actual inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm just going to use the shade in Light and very subtly add it to my brow bone. And I'm just going to now line my upper lash line and lower waterline very slightly by this eye pencil by Faces Canada, and it's called Grey. So what I like to do, I'll just put the gray shade just on the very outer corner of my eyes and the blue all through way in. What that does is, because I have like comparatively much smaller eyes, if I put black completely in my waterline, it makes my eyes look even smaller. So I like to put the color blue in my eyes. That'll actually make you look much more radiant, and it'll be like a nice base for the eyeshadow we're going to apply it. And I'm going to apply it in the same steps we applied it on the lid. And now time for mascara, and we're almost done with the eyes. For my upper eyelashes, I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And for my lower lashes, I'm going to use the Smashbox Exposed Mascara. I really like this for my lower lash line. And we're done with the eyes. And now for the face. Okay, first I'm going to use this Tarteist Pro Glow to Go. Damn, that's a tongue twister. And I'm going to use the bronze shade in the palette called Sculpt and just sculpt out our cheekbones. So what I like to do is I'll just first stamp it in literally as a guideline where I want to blend it out, and then just subtly blend it out. Even in my jawline. For the blush, I'm going to use this Milani blush by the Amore collection. It's a nice pinky blush, which I think really looks nice with the eyes. And I really like to apply my blush in the same technique as I put my contour, because I think it gives a much better flushed look and gives a more sculpted and like a nice pinky look to your cheeks. Ooh, for highlight, so I'm going to use this sleek palette called Solstice, I forgot, but something like that. And I'm going to use that nice like whitish golden shade and apply it to all the high points of my face. And we're done! All we're left is the lips. Okay, my favorite lip combo to wear for a date night is first the lip liner by KIKO Cosmetics in Candy Cane, and this Smashbox liquid metal like a liquid lip, and in the shade Morphe Squad. Like really pretty. It looks so nice with so many different kind of looks. Okay, now time for our hot outfit. So the blue top I'm wearing, the nice crisscross in trend thing I'm wearing, is by Babe, BB, whatever stores people like to call it. And the cover up or the tube top underneath is by Forever 21. My skirt is by Zara, and my heels, those I bought from Italy last year, so you can't really find it in India, but any crisscross nice heels or any black heels would really complement the look.
And it's a wrap. Chutti! Okay, so I hope you really like this complete look and the outfit and the pictures and everything. With the complete jewelry, and please mind the annoying noise. I mean, I couldn't actually speak and do my makeup because of the background noise. So anyhow, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.